Hey there, fellow explorers of the digital age. Have you heard of ChatGPT? It's this super cool AI that can chat with you just like a real person. From answering questions to writing stories, ChatGPT is like having a super smart friend just a click away. Imagine typing a question into your computer and getting a thoughtful, human-like response in seconds. That's ChatGPT in action. This incredible tool uses the power of artificial intelligence to understand your queries and generate text that's both relevant and engaging. But how does it actually work? Well, it's all about teaching computers to understand and use human language. And that's where things get really interesting. In the next section, we'll dive into the fascinating world of tokenization, which is how ChatGPT breaks down text into smaller pieces to make sense of it all. Get ready for some mind-blowing insights into the world of AI. Have you ever wondered how computers understand human language? After all, we speak in words and sentences while computers deal with numbers and data. That's where the magic of tokenization comes in. Tokenization is like taking a sentence and breaking it down into individual words or even smaller units of meaning. Think of it like chopping up a delicious pizza language into bite-sized slices, tokens that a computer can easily digest. For example, the sentence "ChatGPT is cool" would be divided into tokens like "Chat, GPT is" and "cool." These tokens are then assigned numerical values that the computer can process. But it's not just about individual words. Tokenization can also recognize punctuation marks, emojis, and even parts of words that carry meaning. This allows ChatGPT to understand the nuances of human language, from sarcasm and humor to complex ideas and emotions. So next time you're chatting with ChatGPT, remember the amazing process of tokenization happening behind the scenes, turning your words into numbers that the AI can understand and respond to in a meaningful way. Now that we know how ChatGPT breaks down language into tokens, let's talk about how it actually processes that information to understand the meaning and context of your requests. This is where the transformer comes in, the secret sauce that makes ChatGPT so incredibly smart. Imagine the transformer as ChatGPT's thinking cap, a powerful engine that analyzes the relationships between all those tokens we talked about earlier. It's like having a super-powered detective piecing together clues to solve a mystery. But instead of clues, it's words and phrases. The transformer doesn't just look at tokens in isolation. It considers their order, their relationships, and the overall context of the conversation. This allows ChatGPT to grasp the nuances of human language, including things like sarcasm, humor, and even complex arguments. But how does it actually do this? Well, the secret lies in a clever mechanism called self-attention, which we'll explore in the next section. Get ready to have your mind blown by the power of AI. Section 4. Attention, please. How ChatGPT understands context. Remember those times you've had to pay close attention to a conversation to really understand what's being said? Well, ChatGPT has a superpower called self-attention that helps it do just that. Imagine you're reading a mystery novel. You pay close attention to the clues, the characters, and their relationships to understand the plot. Similarly, self-attention allows ChatGPT to focus on specific parts of a text and their connections to other parts, just like a detective connecting the dots. For example, if you ask ChatGPT, "What is the capital of France and what is it known for?" the self-attention mechanism helps it understand that it in the second part of the question refers to the capital of France mentioned earlier. This ability to connect different parts of a text and understand their relationships is what makes ChatGPT so good at generating coherent and contextually relevant responses. It's like having a conversation partner who's always paying attention and remembers everything you say. Section 5, from data to dialogue, training ChatGPT to chat. Now that we've explored the magic of tokenization and the power of the transformer, let's talk about how ChatGPT actually learns to use language so effectively. It all starts with a massive amount of text data. Think books, articles, websites, and even social media conversations. This vast collection of text is like a giant playground for ChatGPT, where it can explore the intricacies of human language and learn how words are used in different contexts. It's like teaching a child to speak by exposing them to a rich and diverse vocabulary. During this pre-training phase, ChatGPT learns to predict the next word in a sequence based on the words that come before it. It's like playing a giant game of fill in the blanks with language, constantly refining its understanding of grammar, syntax, and even common sense reasoning. But the learning doesn't stop there. In the next section, we'll explore how human feedback plays a crucial role in fine-tuning ChatGPT's responses and making it even smarter.